I would like to welcome you in this new chapter where we will be learning about function overloading. Function overloading is a mechanism we have in C++ to have multiple copies of the same function but taking different parameters. For example, here you see that we have different functions, but all these functions have the same function name. And these are said to be different overloads of the same function. There are a couple of rules you need to be aware of to be able to set up your overloads correctly and get them to work. And that's what we're going to be learning about in detail in this chapter. But now I just want you to see the flexibility you can get with function overloading. For example, here, if we have a few variables in our program, we can call the max function and the compiler is going to select the most fitting overloading here. So for example, if we call our function with integer argument, the compiler is going to choose this overload here. If we call our function with std string arguments, the compiler is going to choose this overload here, and we don't really need to concern ourselves with making sure we have the correct arguments. The compiler is going to choose the correct function overload for us, and it is going to call it, and it's going to be very flexible to call these functions from our C++ code. This is how function overload can be really useful. We are going to stop here in this lecture. In the next one, we're going to learn about how you can set up function overloads based on different function parameters. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.